Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today I will show how to install Zoom on laptop. First of all, you need to download Zoom software. Open a tab and type download Zoom, then hit enter. Open first link. Click on download button to start downloading. Here we can see downloading in progress. Once downloaded, go to the download folder. Here's the Zoom installer. Double click on it to start install. It will take some time to complete. It has been installed. From here we can join a meeting, also we can sign in. This is how we can install Zoom on laptop. Hope this video was helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thank you for staying with 5 Minute Solution.